Morning, traders, investors, degenerates. Uh, April 16th, 9:47. Um, just sat down on the computer and fired up the stream. Okay. I've been up for a few hours already, taking care of business. Taking care of business like you always have to. Even if it's something menial like laundry, you still got to be taken care of, right? Watering the lawn, menial, but it's still got to be done, right? Stuff like that. Okay. Got my coffee. Cheap coffee, but it's Colombian, so it's actually good. Does the job. You don't need to go all fancy with this stuff. And like my charts, you don't have to go all fancy with it. Where are we? What is the Bitcoin price? Currently 61382. Again, I repeat, Bitcoin is at above $60,000. Awesome. Auto. Buy zone 1. Buy zone 2. It was early, right? Up, down. 58,000. We hit it. I'll show you on the candle if you don't believe me. Boom. Even earlier, went from here 7 to what? 10. Same day. What was that candle? 5 in the morning, UTC, 12, 9, 9 o'clock in the night. Big moves going on, right? Wild swings, volatility, bad. Volatility, they scare you with these volatility memes, right? Don't invest because it's volatile asset, right? 29,000 January. We are 60. Don't you like volatility in a global digital network that is scarce in supply, which has billionaires buying by the bucket loads? Yes, you should like volatility. It all depends. In crypto, I mentioned, we have 80% drops. Ethereum did 95% drop from 14 something to 80 something. All right, but it came back. Right? And Ethereum today, or yesterday, hit 2,500. So 80 into 2,500. How many times does that go? Let's do some mental math. Quick math. 30 times. 30 times your money in a year. Is it money? Is it magical internet money? Well, it definitely seems magical, isn't it? 30 times your money. If you were bold enough, were you bold enough to recognize what was happening? Decentralized finance is happening, right? Decentralized finance. What is that? It is platform protocols with tokens applied, essentially. Right? Platform protocols. Uniswap is a platform protocol. It's coming up to version 3, right? Last year was operating version 1. Summertime, August version 2. Now is coming on to version 3. So these protocols are getting upgraded. They're getting worked on. And I think Uniswap started off with a $100,000 grant from Consensus or the Ethereum Alliance. One of the two. It's a good return on money, isn't it? That's a good $100,000 grant. I wonder what kind of strings were attached to that 100K, eh? Maybe a few Uniswap tokens. Yeah, Joe Lubin's smart man. Smart businessman. I won't hear a bad word said against him. Even though he is attempting to maybe attack Hex. Well, I don't know. S-load functions going up 2.7 with the Berlin E-fork, right? Directly affects computation in the fact that the gas price of you telling the Ethereum virtual machine to do a computation for you is going up 2.7 times. But is the price in USD going up? I don't know. We'll soon find out, because the Berlin half fork promised lower gas, so the computation is going up. So maybe it is lower. Maybe it's more gas being used, but the low USD. We don't know. We'll find out. We shall find out. So let's go back to I'll keep this candle chart. Buy up, consolidation break, and we're coming down to retest on what appears to be this level here. Not this. I don't think it's going to come down anymore. So what's that? 62, 61. Yep, 62, 61. Will it show a turning for us? Let's go to a line. It's better, right? Line, prone, slow stochastic, just an oscillator, a dumb oscillator. Nah, it's looking like it wants to go down more. That's not bottoming action on the 1 hour. Daily, what does it say? Yeah, more, maybe more. I don't know. It's hard to call. It's hard to trade off an indicator, right? So that's why I don't use them. Apart from momentum structure. Have you downloaded it yet? Oh, this is better. More interesting. We're still positive momentum, right? No wild spikes down like last year. Look at that. What did it go down to? Minus 55. What's the highest it's ever done? What's the highest momentum's ever done? 2017, 80, 50. What's the average? What is the average? Horizontal line, about 40, right? We can draw another line. Let's move this. Yeah, that's good. Then I have another one. Let's do another one. On this bull market around here, let's look. Low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, maybe. Info line. Let's not get the absolute. Let's draw like that. Info line, trend, horizontal line. Let's draw another one. That seems sensible. Let's dial this in 3 hours. Let's dial this in, eh? Boom. Okay. Something to work off. Something indeed. Okay. Because high over here. Oh, that's interesting. That push, yeah, obviously, look at that push. It was a wild one. There's obviously more than that. Yep. Yeah. It's hard to determine anything accurately when it's getting too dialed down. My eyes, 4 hours. It's better. Yeah, okay. Had enough for this. 9 minutes in. Let's whip through this. So yeah, look, we're coming down a little bit. So another reload zone. That was too quick to reload into, right? This time frame is more ideal because you can nibble, and then go, right? Should be starting nibbling now. It's down to 61259. Just put some cheeky bids. Open a little position now to have some, right? Before the turn. You never know when it's going to turn. I don't. Oh, shit. Sorry. Next chart on Bitcoin. This is clean, isn't it? Look, this is real clean. Coinbase 4 hour. Very, very good. Very, very, very good. You can draw a somewhat of a trend line. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. Yes. 4 points. Yes. It doesn't need more accuracy than that. Look at that. Lovely. Bottom of the pattern action. Bottom here. Bottom. This is now trying to stay above it, right? It's trying. Will it come down here? 59? It could. Yeah, why not? One last final shakeout all the way down, but we're almost there. $1,200, we're almost there. Ooh. Yeah. And what's the day? It's Friday today. Yeah. So today could be a down day for the continuation of New York trading. So what would that be up to New York, London time? Yeah, it could be up to 10:11 UTC. So another 12, 13 hours of depressing down. But then you know what happens to Bitcoin on the weekend. Sometimes we get 3,000-4,000 up days on the weekend. Just giving you forewarning. Okay. Getting bored of Bitcoin. Oh, Fibs. Fibonacci. Popped above the one. We're on the one. Fibonacci. Italian mathematician. Genius. Apparently, I haven't read his stuff. How can you do this? Too much stuff to read. 1.618, 71,000. 2.618, 86905. I just want you to remember what's happening. 3.618, 100 to 808. Okay. Ethereum. I have too many fibs. Or is it too many? I don't even know what's going on now. Big picture fib. 8360, 7152, 5197, 1618 is 3242. Okay, some overlays here. Look, 3000. Yeah, 5000, 3000, 5000. Big ones. Will it hit 10k? I don't know. 7.5 though. I'm very confident on 5. Very, very confident on 5 grand. Anything above that is bonus, in my opinion. How much more do you guys want out of this market? Your greed astounds me. It really does. Okay, that's good. Coinbase. What did Coinbase do on its inaugural day of trade? Or within second day of trading, right? We're still respecting. It didn't fall below. Or it did. No, it didn't. Look, the low's 310. Average price 334. Pre-market, it's up. New Yorkers, they're starting to nibble. 32545, 32655 pre-market. Okay. Bitcoin dominance. Oh yes. Okay, let's bring up Bitcoin dominance. Let's bring up my old school Bitcoin dominance chart just for fun. Just to revel in my greatness. Okay, it's not corrupting. Never mind. It went down to 53. It went down to 53 and gave you plenty of warning. Oh. So I started seeing that pattern develop weeks before it broke, because it was that I saw. This downdraft confirmed it, the violence of that, and this was just a consolidation, a pause. It's doing the same thing. Where is it going? I think I called for low 40s. Boy. Trading view will not allow accuracy on these draws. Why is that? We could go all the way down to 40, right? That's already 48. We're at 53. Maybe 45 does it. Is ICO season bigger now than it was in 2017? I don't know. So a lot of these coins were fake, right? Complete fakery. And that's why it happened so violently, even quicker than it's happening now. So maybe we just take a little pause, go back to 55, and then take a little while, let Bitcoin do its thing, right? So we may bounce up to 58 even. I don't know. But then the final throwdown, all right, something like that. Bounce around, something like that. Double bottom, maybe. Shall we do a double bottom projection? Yes, we shall. Not like that. Something like that, possible. Let's draw another one. It's gonna be a zone. It's gonna be a zone. Okay, something like that. Almost out of time. Let's see. Anything pop up? Litecoin. Wow, must have hit 300. Did it hit 300 already? 297 Litecoin. It almost hit my red line. Dash. Wow, look at that. 359. Dash. $500. Probably needs some time to digest because it went vertical, right? And nothing else is happening. Wi-Fi took a beat down. 53,000 all the way down to 47. 6,000. Haircut. But look, would it bounce? Not too bad at all. Okay. That was my morning glance at the markets, the crypto markets for you guys. Okay. See you guys there. Bye.